When the universe wants to make you stronger, it doesn't hand you peace, it hands you pressure. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Everything I thought I needed got stripped away. Comfort disappeared, plans started to break. People changed faces, love turned cold, and every loss left another crack in my soul. I used to ask God why it hurt this bad, why every road I touched collapsed. But maybe pain ain't punishment at all. Maybe pressure's what makes a man stand tall. Keep going, don't fold. Fire reveals what gold can hold. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in chaos. You don't find your strength until life breaks what you thought was sacred. Every scar became a lesson, every sleepless night became a weapon. The pressure that's crushing me now might be the thing that makes me unbreakable somehow. Yeah. Betrayal cuts deeper when your heart stay real, and broken trust leaves wounds that never fully heal. I carried the weight like I had something to prove, while life kept testing everything I thought I knew. But iron don't harden without the flame, and storms don't ask permission when they change a name. Every setback stretched parts of me that comfort never could have reached. Most people quit when the fire gets hot. Pressure creates what comfort does not. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in chaos. You don't meet yourself until everything falls apart around you. Every tear became a roadmap, every heartbreak made me fight back. The pressure that's crushing me now is building someone I haven't fully met yet. Maybe this pain was never here to destroy me. Maybe the nights I thought I was dying were rebuilding me slowly. Maybe rock bottom was just the foundation, yeah. The universe don't test weak people, it tests the ones meant to carry more. Same pressure that built me. Yeah. This ain't the end. This is the rebuild.